Most people get this wrong when starting a company in the British Virgin Islands. They think it's complicated, risky, or only for giant offshore corporations. But here's the truth no one tells you. Forming a BVI company in 2026 is actually a very structured process if you understand the steps and avoid the common mistakes. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to start a company in BVI step by step, what documents you need, how long it takes, and the biggest compliance issues that catch new business owners off guard. Let's get straight into it. The first thing you need to know is that most people form a BVI business company, also called a BCI. This structure is popular for international business, holding companies, online businesses, and investment activities. But here's the problem. You cannot directly register the company yourself online like you can in some US states. BVI law requires you to work through a licensed registered agent located in the British Virgin Islands. For example, if Jake wants to run a global e-commerce company, he first hires a BVI corporate services provider. That provider handles the filing process and acts as the company's registered agent. Now here's where it gets interesting. The actual incorporation process is often very fast. Step 1 is choosing your company name. The registered agent checks whether the name is available and compliant with BVI regulations. Step 2 is preparing your due diligence documents. This normally includes a passport copy, proof of residential address, and details about the company's business activity. This is where most people fail. They submit blurry documents or incomplete information, which delays approval and banking later. Step 3 is filing the incorporation documents. These include the memorandum and articles of association. Once approved, you receive the certificate of incorporation, company number, and corporate records. But don't assume your work is finished there. In a minute, I'll explain the part that surprises almost every first-time BVI business owner. Opening a bank account is often harder than forming the company itself. Banks now require strict compliance checks, proof of source of funds, business plans, and sometimes even customer information. For example, Alex formed his BIE company in a few days, but spent weeks gathering extra documents for a business bank account. Another important thing is compliance. BII companies still have annual government fees, registered agent fees, and record-keeping obligations even though the jurisdiction is tax-friendly. Now here's the biggest takeaway. Starting a BVI company in 2026 is legal and practical for international entrepreneurs, but success depends on proper setup and ongoing compliance. Use a licensed registered agent, prepare strong documents, and think about banking before you incorporate. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more international business guides, and comment below with the next country you want covered.